Hi, this is Dr. Ritika Ima, and I have secured All India Rank 33 in UPSC CSE 2023. Before this, also, I had secured All India Rank 186 in CSE 2022. So, I think that it is fair enough to say that I have had a long journey in UPSC and a good experience to know what works and what does not work in this exam. So, one thing that definitely works is to have the same books and same resources and revise them again and again. तो इसके लिए you want those kind of books which have everything concisely in one place. So I'll recommend you three books and I'll tell you what I have studied. And these are very good books. That is Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant for Civil Services Examination. This was a good book because first of all ये Civil Service Examination के syllabus को ध्यान में रख के बनाई हुई है. So it has got all those articles in depth and काफ़ी well written book है. So you don't need to have more sources for polity after this other than whatever happens in news. So whatever comes in current affairs, you do that and then you go through this book. So it covers the entire static portion. Second book I'll talk to you is The Indian Art and Culture by Nitin Singhania. Now again this was a very good book because of two reasons. एक तो ये है कि ये भी civil service exam के लिए है, तो it is oriented to the exam. So what it does is that after every chapter it has got the PYQs. जो prelim के PYQs है as well as जो mains के PYQs है, they're all in one place after every chapter. So it makes it easier for you to understand कितने depth में कुछ chapter को पढ़ना है. But another important thing with this book is that it has got a lot of pictures. तो what those pictures kind of do, like these छोटी छोटी pictures जो होती है ना, it gives you a picturesque memory. So आपको कई बार हो सकता है कंटेंट याद नहीं आ रहा है, कोई टर्म याद नहीं आ रहा, बट आपको फोटो की वजह से या पिक्चर की वजह से जो है उस पर्टिकुलर आर्किटेक्चर की या उस पर्टिकुलर चीज़ की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक याद आ जाते हैं कि अच्छा वो बस ब्रॉन्ज स्टैचू पूछा हुआ एग्जाम में, तो आपको याद आता है कि वो जो स्टैचू था वो इस तरीके का हुआ करता था, उसमें फीमेल फिगरीन ज़्यादा थे, उसमें डांसिंग पॉस्चर थे, तो जो भी होता है तो आपको काफ़ी अच्छा एक आइडिया लग जाता है इस बुक से भी. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दीज पिक्चर्स ना यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक योर ओन काइंड ऑफ डायग्राम्स इन द एग्जाम, जो कभी कभी ज़रूरत पड़ता है आंसर राइटिंग के टाइम स्पेशली. And the third book that I will talk about is Indian Economy by Nitin Singhania. Now, this book I had not studied for the previous attempt that I gave. But for this attempt, I especially got this book because, see, I have an MBBS academic background, which means that Indian economy is not one of my stronghold subjects. तो इंडियन इकोनॉमी में मेरे कॉन्सेप्ट्स अच्छे थे बट आई स्टिल डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू डू द आंसर राइटिंग वेल. So उसके लिए this was a very good book. I found this extremely useful because what it does is it has got pointers. तो सपोज देर इज़ अ सिंपल टॉपिक लाइक से इन्फ्लेशन, तो ना उसके अंदर ना पॉइंटर्स रहते हैं जैसे हम अपने नोट्स में यूजुअली बनाते हैं. तो उसमें ये तो दिया ही होगा कि इन्फ्लेशन क्या होता है, बट एवरीथिंग इन एनी अदर थिंग from different perspectives that you might want to write in an exam depending on your question, you'll find in one place. तो ये मेमोरी को जॉग करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहता है. तो उसमें आप रिवाइज भी अच्छे से कर सकते हो और इसको पढ़ते हुए ना आपको ये आइडिया लग जाता है कि अगर एक टॉपिक आ गया तो इसको कितने डायमेंशन में आंसर में लिखा जा सकता है. So with these respects, I thought that all these three books were very useful, and they're especially useful because they're not just the books that you read one time. These are the books you keep going back to even for your revisions. So these are very good books that helped me, and I hope that anyone else who goes through these books, any serious aspirant, is also benefited extremely through these books. Thank you so much.